all right with the tape?
Tape, yeah. Yeah, just a section that we've got to put on afterwards.
I see. And you've left that panel off so it's easier to fix?
No, it's so we can get to the bolts. This is a later point, it's got to have an access panel put in. Yeah. But we haven't put it in yet. No. So we've left that undone, like the same as we did on the other side. Yeah. Because they need to put
Can't you, the round holes then are not good enough to get to the access to the bolts then?
Well, no, there is no round holes through there.
Well, you can't.
There is no access through there.
We arrived about half an hour late. The fin went on. Jack's trying to get the rudder completed to get that on. I think they're working the weekend to get things sorted. They're working to get the wheels on the Lancaster now.
I totally forgot that this year.
Doesn't matter, we can... Right, I'm going to go and have a... Don't drop it, Bobby, it'll be on camera.
Yeah, smile if you do.
No, it's not paying for smile.
Is that right? Let's put the pipe forward, so yes it is.
You want the pipe at the back?
Yeah. Because that's inboard, isn't it, when you got that one? Is the axle in the wrong way?
No, this is the inboard side.
So
The vanes,
that is correct.
so you're on that's the outboard brake unit.
Jammed on this pad.
What have you been doing with the pads?
Nearly jammed on your fingers there.
Right.
One more push, Mrs. Jones. I can see the head.
Needs to come this way, 1/8 of an inch.
Say again.
It needs to come this way, 1/8 of an inch.
How's that?
Not quite. Just a minute. Just a minute. I haven't got your hammer here, have I?
You're right.
I think that will pull through. Yes, it will. Yeah, that's fine. Thanks, mate.
There you go.
Thank you.
Yeah. 1, 2, 1, 2.
Yeah, lovely stuff.
Lovely jubbly. I'll leave you to it.
That's jolly decent of you.
And 6 bolts fit through the spindle into the nuts on the outer side.
Yes, that's right. It's a nut with a sleeve.
I see, yeah.
That is threaded internally.
And the air pressure line goes where that goes in the top there, does it?
It goes slightly forward.
I see, yeah.
That's the brake line.
When do you think you'll get this wheel fitted then? Today?
I'm not sure, it may well be Monday or, well, tomorrow or Monday possibly.
Yeah.
Depends on the manpower.
I see, yeah. What's this on the side?
That's the winch.
That's the winch, isn't it?
We drop the guys on the top of the turbines, winch them down.
I already had one, but that's worn out, so.
Alright, be good. So it's rivets that we need. About a foot and a half, if you're lucky.
Yeah, so this little thing, you know, 90 kilos, but 850 horsepower.
Oh really?
Yeah. So it's quite impressive.
Yeah, right, 1640 horsepower per engine.
Yeah.
They're very small, aren't they, for the
Yeah,
amount
they
of
are.
power they produce?
And imagine that's only all the gearbox for the accessories and stuff. All the power is more or less produced on that little area, isn't it? So just a compressor combustion
Have
chamber
you got
there.
2?
Yeah.
So when you actually take it off, do you use 2 or did
Yes,
you?
yeah, we fly with 2 all the
Yeah,
time.
all the
You
time.
fly with 2, yeah.
We have 2 pretty much side of life.
Yeah, yeah. Oh, thank you.
Pleasure, pleasure.
Go to
When they fit the trim tab control rod, they'll put a slot in it.
It'll come through there.
Yeah. But until then, there's no point in stripping it because you get rubbish in there.
Yeah.
The early Lancasters had a streamline over it, but that's what the later ones had.
And what about these weights at the top? One of them was broken. Have you got it replaced?
Which one was that?
The two weights what come out. One of them,
the horn, yes.
The horn, yeah. One of them was broken, I think.
Yeah, had it fixed.
Oh, I see. You've had it welded on, have you?
Yeah, they fixed it up, but of course this won't be any good for flying with.
No, but it's
just to
suitable for okay.
But we'll have brand new ones.
Yeah.
You know.
Yeah.
But that's been welded back.
Good.